Hi, this is Sakshi, a second year MBA student, and I am Jammu. We had no classes today morning, but I had volunteered for a conference, so I had to spend a part of the morning helping out with parents and But after we were done, our professors ordered a pizza for us.
Happy birthday, ma'am. SMF.
जिनका भी बर्थडे होता है ये फ्लावर्स देते हैं उनको कैसे भी बना के या शी डज दैट
आप अपने हस्बैंड को भेज दीजिए कि देखो फूल तो मिल गया यार
So obviously that immediately improved my opinion of the day.
हाँ तो मुझे नहीं लगा था कि तू
Then me and my friends went to get pastries because one of our friends got placed. So we showed up to her room like a little award delivery people with a pastry and a balloon. Very cute, very dramatic, but very deserved. Also, she had been really stressed about placement. Seeing her finally get her dream role in her dream company was actually such a happy moment. Like, yes, girl, the dream company did in fact exist. Love that feeling. This is what most of the second year feels like. It has been pretty chill on its own way because there's nothing much to do.
happy placement to you. Happy.
But because life has turned into something like random side quests that fill up the entire day, and that is what I think I'll remember most of this phase. Tomorrow morning, I had a presentation, so naturally the rest of the day was a mix of pretending to be relaxed while mentally preparing for it. Presentation days used to feel very stressful, but over the years they have kind of become normal. Not exactly, but normal enough that you can just show up, talk, and get through it. I guess this is what happens when you've been doing this for long enough. Still, I always like the walk to class. There's something so peaceful about it. The campus looks especially pretty during the day, and the whole route to academic block feels calm in a way I think I'll miss it later. I am running late to a class, and I have a presentation. It's 4:38 right now, and my presentation is at 4:45. And it's a long walk from the hostels to the acad block. All the way, I'll show you. Those are our hostels. You need to walk from all the way up here to here, and that is where the acad block is. 1 second. Yep, all the way to that building. This one. Yep. तो पैर का सन
I put essay
the academic block, the flowers, the whole route. It gives main character work and responsibility. After we were done with our presentation, we headed to a painting workshop in the academic area, another side quest. We really wanted to stay and actually paint, but we were also extremely hungry. So naturally, we chose food first, priorities. At the Mumbai, we could not miss the vada pav that we had in the history. Anyways, later in the evening, there was a small jamming and bonfire session on the ground. So we hung out there for a bit. It was such a cute vibe, nothing too crazy, just music, fire, people, and everyone pretending to have their life together, honestly.
फोटो तो मस्त आ रही बहुत जल रहा है जब से मैं आई हूँ। ओ सॉरी।
But we were here to collect a bunch
All
of packages, so yeah, which was honestly the better and the more exciting part of hostel life. Like nothing builds suspense like opening random parcels and pretending you're not emotionally attached to them. One of my friends, I'm not even kidding, had ordered so many products from Plum and genuinely had a question that, girl, how many faces do you have? She had ordered 8 face washes. 8! I don't even know what kind of skin crisis requires that many backups.
Why? Why?
मुझे हैव नो आइडिया मैंने इतने मंगाए हैं.
Can you imagine you just face washes there? See, crazy. What is
कितने faces है पास to wash?
And then later at that night, because clearly we were not done being unserious for the day, we decided to make hot chocolate at like the most random hour possible. And it sounds simple, so it does, but somehow it became a whole event. We had to get milk, chocolate, cocoa powder, started stirring like we knew what we were doing. Confidence was high, but skills were debatable. And obviously Taylor Swift was playing in the background, the docu-series. Because what is hot chocolate without emotional support? For a moment it just felt very calm, like nothing is urgent, nothing is stressful. And it's actually weird because these are the kind of days that don't feel important while they're happening. Like nothing big, nothing dramatic, just random plans, random food runs, random conversation. But somehow those are the ones that you'll remember later. And that is what second year largely feels like. Oh, and also we tested our
ऐसा बोला?
friend's hair color
हाँ,
today.
मतलब,
The Birds
जल्दी
of
से
the
निकालने
Bird of
के बाद करना
Paradise
start करो
berry
because
plum color, which was another extremely important academic activity, as you can clearly tell. I'll show you the results later on because, well, it deserves its own plotline.
ग्लव्स चाहिए थे जरा.
All of us have been like this. We've just started experimenting with our hair with nothing more to do.
बना रही गरीब ये क्या गरीब जैसे हाँ ले.
Anyway, that was the day, that was the week, whatever. I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Bye.
Yeah.